Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about functions or methods in C. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna show you guys how this works. So let's say I wanna add two numbers. Okay, so I need to write a custom function to do that. So I'm gonna do int add numbers. Actually, let's just call add. So int a and int b. Return a plus b. So this is a simple function. Okay, so let's say I want to see the output. I'm gonna call printf %d plus %d equal %d and /n. I'm gonna pass 5 6 and add 5 6. So yeah, that's the function that I'm gonna do. We're gonna repeat myself here, 5 6 and 5 6, but you guys can pretty much read some data from the keyboard. So we got that 5 plus 6 is equals to 11, so that's good. So notice that if I cut this function and put afterwards the main function, it still works. Yeah, it still works. I think my compiler is quite new. This wouldn't work on a other compiler. I think yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but it has been quite some time since I've done some code in C actually. So yeah. So okay. So let's keep that function above the main function. So okay, so functions are used to simplify code. Okay, so this is a function that makes it easier to print text into the console. So let's just do some here. So let's enter the first number. Okay, /n, and let's create two variables here, int a, b, and c. So let's okay. Okay, that's okay. So let's scanf %d ea. Let's read to the a number. Okay, so printf enter the second number /n semicolon scanf %d, actually double quotes, %d e. Okay, so okay, so there you go. We can pretty much now do that. C is going to be equal add a and b, printf actually the result, the sum is %d c. Okay, so there you go. This is a more elaborated example. So with type 9 and 6, we got that the sum is 15. Okay, so if we do this again, let's test 12 and 13. The sum is 25. Okay, so there you go, guys. This is just a basic function. You can write more complex functions as well. Okay, so that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.